Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to easily replace the 3-volt lithium CR2032 battery of a Toyota Rush Key Fob. This comes directly from pages 284 and 285 of the car's owner's manual. The first thing you need to have, of course, is the key fob, the new CR2032 lithium battery 3-volt, and a flathead screwdriver or flat tip screwdriver. Remove the mechanical key by sliding its lock and pulling it out. Align the slotted groove of the fob with the tip of the screwdriver. Lay it on a table with the Toyota logo facing up and turn the screwdriver in this manner. Hold the sides down while you do this. Gently lift the upper half while you hold down the lower half. Notice that the polarity of the battery, the positive side, is facing up. Get your new Lithium CR2032 battery ready and check that its expiration date is still several years ahead. When you remove the old battery from the key fob, hold the parts down while you pry it loose. This is to prevent the parts from flying off and getting lost or getting damaged. Install the new battery with the positive or the plus side facing up. Notice the small red LED glow. Realign the two halves and press them together until you hear them snap into place. The small red LED should glow when you press the buttons. Testing the newly installed Lithium CR2032 battery. It behaves normally, the signal is strong. This should last for another 2 years. Here I am simply measuring the no-load voltage of the old battery, that's 2.8 volts. And the new battery here has a no-load voltage of 3.2 volts. Thank you for watching.